Hello everybody. Today I'm going to draw a kingfisher from a photograph that I took, must be a month ago now, when we had much better weather. I'm trying a new format with this video, so I hope you like it, and if you get any comments, please comment in the comments below and follow the video and see how the kingfisher turns out. I've just put the photograph that I'm going to be not copying but drawing from in this video next, so you can see what I'm aiming to reach at the end of the drawing, and the video will just show you the paper, the pencils, everything, and how I go about it. So enjoy. So I have got my pencil sharpener here, which John bought me, and it's great because it puts a sharp tip on. However, I just want to show you that it's so sharp that when I press on the paper, sometimes the little tips of the pencils breaks off. So I just have to be careful with that, because sometimes when the tips break off, it judders on the paper. So what else do I need? Glasses, and I'm ready to go. So here we are, and I have drawn my outline, not huge amount of detail, and I've had to use the rubber a wee bit, and always make sure you use a clean rubber. If it's not clean, clean it on a piece of white paper first. Make sure your pencil's sharp and lightly do your outline in case you've got to rub anything out. So what I've done here is I've left a margin round the edge. Left a margin round the edge, and that's handy to know if you're going to get this framed or do it for prints. So this is a wee bit near. Right, and I'm ready to put the background in. So I've done this twig that the kingfisher's sitting on, and these are the colours that I've used. So there's nougat, warm grey, bistro, another warm grey. That's a definite difference from that warm grey, and an earth green, which is a nice shady kind of sage colour. So remember, this is just the background. There'll be a lot more detail, but I wanted to get the idea of the bark. And actually, when I go to do more detail, I may use the wooden surface of the table and colour in on top of that, so that I get the grain of the wood coming through. All these little tips, do you know, they make sense. So you got to try it and see how you go. So the next thing I'm going to do is start at the top of the bird, because I tend to find when I'm drawing, I'm leaning on the paper and my hand gets smudgy. And I found this especially when I was doing the drawing of the puffins, because I was using a lot of black, and I had to wash my hands every 5 minutes, and I had to cover the paper with a sheet of white paper to lean on, and I still had to use the rubber to rub out the smudge marks. So just be aware of things like that, and always keep your pencils quite sharp. So sharp. Okay, so we'll crack on and do the top of the bird's head and the beak, and we'll see where we go. So welcome back, and you can see that I've done quite a bit of the background. Got a bit confused here at the mouth, but refreshed my memory. And going back to the photo, I can see what the issue was inside the mouth of the bird. So I've had to move that a wee bit. And this is why you always need a clean rubber. And you always do your outline in pencil. So, quite happy with that. And I'm now going to work in the wing. So, the light's coming from the front, from this direction. So, behind the legs, there's going to be a dark line. And underneath this bird's tummy, there's going to be some darkness as well. So keep following the video. If you like what you're seeing, please hit like. If you love what you're seeing and you want to learn more about drawing, hit subscribe. Hello again, and you can see I've done a lot more background and I've penciled in this wing and got a reminder to myself about the feathers in there. Little fish is done, not perfect. And I just want to introduce you to this. This is a really cheap pencil, which I got in a pound shop here, but it's silver. So I'm hoping it will make the fish stand out. So, some more colours that I've been using. And I'm just cracking on. So remember, this is just background. So I just wanted to make sure I get the colours right. And I kind of know what I'm doing. Still not convinced about the beak bit, but we'll see how it goes. So I've done quite a bit more. Still to finish the swing. Still got to work a lot in the breast of this Kingfisher. And I thought I'd show you the colours that I'm using at the moment. So there we go. So it's a work in process. Keep watching. So there we are, guys. I've actually finished it. I've sorted out the twig, finished the bird, put some water droplets on, used this gel pen for that, and a wee highlight in the eye. So I'm going to stop there. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, please like the video, and I'd love you to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.